So I'm at this quick little video. I know a lot of people's probably going to ask when they see the video of the new setup, like they did the last one, about the scrubbing, if it does, if I trimmed, you know, the usual things about that. And yes, this is with a 3-inch leveling kit, 35, 1250, 22 Nitto trail grapplers on a 17 1500. Yes, it does scrub. Some people, I mean, if you're driving every day, in traffic, out of traffic, in town, this might not be the perfect setup, but for me, I don't drive the truck a whole lot, and I don't really get any tight spaces that I need to turn more than what I'm capable of now. But for most, I mean, if you've been in a lifted truck or lifted vehicle or even lowered, you get used to driving with where it scrubs at some point. But this, I mean, you get plenty of turning room going straight, but backing up can be a little tricky. It does scrub a lot quicker backing up than it does going forward, and I'll try to show you how best I can. As you can see, going forward, I mean, there's plenty of room. And then when you turn to the right, you can see it gets real close. And you can see going forward, it never scrubs. It gets really close. But I mean, maybe close to ½ an inch right there from scrubbing. So it does turn all the way. That's no trimming, no nothing. 3-inch leveling kit with 35 1250s. But backing up, it's a little different story. Go ahead and turn the wheel straight. Alright. You can see backing up right there. It's hard to see, but it touches right in this corner just a tad bit. I mean, depending on how fast you're going, as you can see, like right now, it's just enough speed to really move the truck. But as long as you're going about that speed, you can get by with a full turn, full lock, with very minimal scrub. I mean, maybe, I don't know, 1/32 of it barely turning and touching. But I mean, if you going off a driveway or into a road, or you know, something that's going to put it in a bind, it does scrub. It'll hit right here on this part, but I mean, for as little as I drive this truck, I'm not going to start chopping it up, cutting it. But for someone that drives every day, like I said, and somewhere you have to make tight turns, you might have to trim just a little bit. I'll show you on this side. When they back up, man, you can see it never touches the front bumper. It's got plenty of room, about an inch. So the front is absolutely no issues. Just the back towards the cab, only in a bind does it ever touch. So like I said, if you just ease out of your driveway or wherever you're parked at in reverse, you'll have no problems. But if you're going over a speed bump, log, whatever, you might run into something, but it's nothing that keeps it from being real drivable. So if you have any questions, want me to make another video of something else trying to show about the scrubbing, just let me know. But you can see 3-inch leveling kit on a 2017 1500 with 35's does fit. Doesn't scrub, depending on your driving. So, thanks.